Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. A warm welcome to all my subscribers. If you are new here as well, you are welcome. This is Nana's Food World. This is where we do yummy recipes. Today what we are doing is Oreo ice cream. We've done a lot of Oreo recipes. I think we've done about 2 Oreo recipes. We love Oreo, that's why we do a lot of Oreo recipes. This is very simple. Only 3 ingredients that you need. We have some Oreos in a bag, which I'm going to crush. I have some condensed milk and some heavy cream. So this is just the 3 ingredients that we need, and there are 2 ways that you can do. So I'm going to show you the 2 ways that you can do, so you can choose which one you prefer. So let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is to crush the Oreos. I'll put all the ingredients down below so that you know how many Oreos that you have to use. Okay, so I'm crushing them. Right guys, so we have put the crushed Oreos in here, so I'm going to add our next ingredient, which is the condensed milk. Just 1 kind of condensed milk, and just mix it. Right guys, so we need to just whisk this heavy cream until it becomes fluffy and thick. So guys, we whipped the cream and it's nice and soft and fluffy, so we are adding our Oreo and the condensed milk. So make sure you put it into, you fold it into it. Okay guys, so I've mixed our ice cream. It's nice and it's really yummy. So what we are going to do, we are going to put them in a plastic bowl, and then I'll cover it and I'll put it in the freezer to freeze for about 4 hours, and then we can enjoy. Oh my goodness, that smells so good. It smells really lovely guys, and I've tasted it and it tastes really good. Just try it. It's only 3 ingredients and you will love it. I tell you, you will love this ice cream. And then we are going to freeze it for 4 hours and then we enjoy it. Right guys, so I've put the white sugary sandwich in the Oreo. I've put that on top just as a garnish, and some of the Oreos. So I'm going to cover it with a cling film, and then I'll put that in the freezer for about 4 hours. So guys, this is our ice cream, and then we've taken out from the freezer, and then we want to just serve ourselves and put that onto. Yay! It smells really good. So this is our Oreo ice cream. Very easy to do. Right guys, so I've already crushed the Oreos. Okay, I put it aside. I'm going to whisk the heavy cream. Right guys, as you can see, it's really fluffy. Okay, so we're going to add the condensed milk, and then we whisk it again. So that's the condensed milk. Okay guys, so before I whisk it with the condensed milk, I want to add just a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And it tastes really yummy. Okay, so I'm going to whisk it again. Right guys, as you can see, our mixture is fluffy. So what we are going to do, I'm going to stop here. Just look at that. Okay, so I'm going to add the Oreos and then we can freeze it. So guys, I'm going to fold the Oreo that I crushed earlier on into this mixture. Just fold it in. This will be really yummy. You can put as many as you like and fold it in. Right guys, so I'm going to put them in the tin and then I'll freeze it. So that's our yummy ice cream. Right, so we put them in the tin. I'm just trying to level it up. Yes, I've leveled it up nicely. So what I'm going to do is, so I've broken some Oreos and I'll just place them there. Right guys, so our ice cream is done. I'm going to put this in the freezer for about 4 hours or 4 to 5 hours and then it will be ready to eat. So what I do is I cover it with a cling film. So cover it up nicely and then put it in the freezer. So guys, I've taken the ice cream from the freezer, so I'm going to serve it. So guys, this is our ice cream. It's really nice. I think my kids love this one than the other one. So you can try both recipes. It's the same ingredients but a different way of doing it. So you can just try them and see which one you like. But I think this one win for in my house. But the other one, I think the other one too, you can taste more of the Oreo biscuit. That's what I think, in my opinion. So just try these methods, and then just tell me in the comments which one you like the best. Alright, so if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and please put on your post notifications and subscribe to my channel so that when I put up a new video you'll be notified. Thanks for watching, and may God bless you. Bye.